Successful industrial automation relies on equipment performing as programmed. But when things go wrong, you get the call. You pack the bags. You hop the flight. You check in and unpack the bags. And then, finally, you get to work. In other words, a lot of time, money, and travel miles are wasted addressing the problem. But is there a better way? Yes. We call it mGuard Secure Cloud from Phoenix-Contact, a free service that enables you to connect and troubleshoot remotely in a few short clicks. As an mGuard Secure Cloud user, when things go wrong with your machines out there somewhere, you're able to service your industrial equipment remotely and securely 24/7 from wherever you are. While the capabilities of troubleshooting industrial equipment remotely has advanced light years since those old dial-up modem days, the realities of today's security-focused world have compounded the risk factors, costs, and complexities that come with providing remote high-speed support over the Internet. mGuard Secure Cloud from Phoenix-Contact lets you reduce the costs of servicing industrial equipment, as well as drastically reduce the time and expense of travel to do so, which helps keep your customers happy. MSC is the simple, effective, and highly secure solution of remotely accessing your client's industrial equipment. It all begins in the northeastern U.S., where we house the mGuard Secure Cloud infrastructure in a state-of-the-art data center. It is from here, via the Secure Cloud gateways, that an encrypted pathway can be accessed, giving you virtual hands-on control of your client's industrial equipment. Once the mGuard Secure Cloud connection is established, you simply log in and gain instant access to the machines of the problem site. Scroll through the device list, select and initiate a data connection with the affected equipment. This device doesn't require the customer to have public IP addresses, and it's IT firewall friendly. Thanks to mGuard Secure Cloud, wherever in the world you happen to be, you can now troubleshoot and program any device just as you would do on site. Utilizing the mGuard Secure Cloud enables you to leapfrog time and space and tap into any device virtually with as much control as if you were standing there. As a cloud-based service, MSC routes incoming encrypted data to its intended target. Hundreds of engineers and technicians enjoy mGuard Secure Cloud's ease of use in remotely controlling OEM equipment, identifying and solving complex problems, configuring, updating programs, monitoring status, setting up alert notifications, and auditing trails of activity. For a fast, free, and flexible solution that reduces downtime, cost, and travel, ask for the mGuard Secure Cloud, the next generation of tech-to-machine connectivity. To learn more, visit phoenixcontact.com/MSC or register at us.cloud.mguard.com.